Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Phil.
And over the past several weeks, the team has been working on this 1971 Honda CB350 cafe race inspired build, restoration, and restore, where we've used an assortment of Dupli-Color and VHT products to complete the process. So keep in mind, we are not professionals, we are enthusiasts just like you. So our easy to use products makes it easier for you to restore, restyle, and protect your projects at home in your garage. And these products are also available at your local automotive retailer. So in this video, we're gonna assemble this entire bike, but it's gonna take quite a bit of time, right? So enjoy this time-lapse video, and at the end, find out how you might have a chance to win it as well, and also what the bike's gonna look like at the end. You guys ready?
Ready.
All right, let's get at it. We have a lot to do. All right, well, the bike is finally done. It's off the table, and all the parts that were scattered all over the tables and around the shop are back together all in one place in this beautiful, beautiful Honda. What did you guys think of the whole overall process?
A lot of work, but it turned out great.
Yeah, I think it looks amazing. What do you think, Sophia?
I love the bronze and the black look. I think it looks awesome.
Yeah, this bike really looks amazing. If you saw the rendering at the beginning of the video, it looks pretty much spot on. The bronze, the gloss black, and the satin black really ties everything together, and that touch of color on the lenses, and then topped off with the chrome emblems and the chrome nuts and bolts as well, just adds that little bit of detail. So, Sophia, I know that this was your first build, your first time painting, really. I mean, what'd you think?
I was definitely intimidated going into this project, but I get why we say yes you can in your garage. The products were really easy to use. The painting was a simple process, and I know prep is the most important part is what I'm walking away with.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, time is everything, right? Time and prep. You prep it, you take your time, and you're gonna end up getting great results once you're finished. So just keep in mind, whether if you're a hardcore DIY or a professional or a first-time painter, just like Sophia, being a first-time painter, you can achieve results just like this in your garage using Dupli-Color and VHT products. So something that we didn't show you in the very beginning, and something that you're probably questioning is, does this bike run? Well, Phil,
Let's fire it up.
all right, let's see what it does. Key is on. Choke it. Oh, oh. Oh, come on. There we go. It runs, a little bit of a cold start, but hey, it fires right up. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the bike to a local shop that specializes in vintage bikes, and they're gonna give it a once over, make sure all the nuts and bolts are tight, the fasteners, make sure it goes down the road through all the gears, and all the lights work as well.
And don't forget, now this bike is back together, you have a chance to win it. So follow along on our socials and check out our website for more information on how to enter.
And make sure you follow along on Dupli-Color.com and VHCPaint.com for more information about the products that we used on this build and others from Dupli-Color and VHT.